Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Motorola Edge 60 Pro and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. Let me go back. And here let's scroll and find security and privacy. Then scroll down and enter more security and privacy. Scroll down again and localize encryption and credentials. Sorry, that was a misclick. Encryption and credentials. So here, almost at the very bottom of the list, we've got this option, the option we're looking for actually, clear credentials. So let's tap on it and confirm it with OK. And not only we've got this information, but also this section, this option is inactive, which means that we just successfully removed all saved certificates. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.